Guys, so I'm back now. First thing I want to say is I'm sorry that I've been gone for so long. Not really for so long, but I haven't been that consistent when posting, and that's because a lot of stuff has been happening in my summer. Just a lot of stuff has happened over the few weeks, and I took time to go through personal things. I want to thank you guys for subscribing to me and getting me to 10K subscribers. Now, I know 10K to some people might not seem like a lot, but to me, it means a lot to me. Every single person that sits down and watches my videos, it means so much to me because I'm just like a regular girl. Thank you guys so much for getting me here. I appreciate every last one of you guys. And without further ado, because this intro is long enough, let's get into this fall makeup tutorial that I've been trying to film for the last 2 weeks. It's finally here. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you want to see how I got this look, stay tuned. This is the palette. First, I'm gonna go in with this shade. I'm gonna mix this a little bit with this shade actually. Taking this with a nice fluffy brush, just dipping into that orange one time, but mostly using that cream shade. And I'm going into this really deep brown shade right here, and I'm gonna focus this mostly in the crease. Next, I'm gonna go into my Sweet Peach palette just because I like this orange a bit more better than the orange in the Zodiac palette. The orange in the Zodiac palette is a lot deeper and like darker than I want right now, and really fluff and blend out and smoke out this crease, because I want this crease to be really warm. And I'm going to take Capricorn, which is this like taupey green shade, and I'm gonna spread that all over my lid. But I'm just going to take that brown, that dark brown, once again, and deepen up the corners as well as the crease. For the face, I'm going in with my Maybelline Matte and Poreless. Nothing is new there. I did test out the Dior foundation, and it looks so beautiful. It looks so beautiful. It's just, I think it broke me out. It has so much fragrance in it. It's like mad. And I think my skin just has a certain reaction to fragrance, but I'm so happy that I just got the sample from Sephora instead of like buying it and then being pissed, because it is like a $50 foundation. So okay, so for concealer, I'm using my Wet n Wild Photo Focus Concealer. I've been loving this concealer. It's just, for me, not enough comes in the container. You can't be that mad because it is only like $5, but it is a concealer. If you're a girl like me who, when you use concealer, you use full coverage, or you use a decent amount, this will run out pretty fast. The Wet n Wild concealer that I use is the shade Dark Cocoa. I think that's the darkest shade they have, but I'm gonna lighten it up with a bit of LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Pure Beige, just as like a lightener, not really for coverage. I've been liking to use this technique more recently. I like the coverage and the finish of the Wet n Wild, but the LA Girl has like a banging shade range as opposed to like the Wet n Wild. I'm pretty sure there's only like 3 shades in that concealer, which is sad. Now I'm gonna go in with my Coty airspun powder, and I always blow off the excess or pat it off, and then I go in. And then I pat the powder into my skin. And I like to take some right down my nose. I'm gonna go in and work on this bottom lash line, and now I'm taking this orange shade again, and I'm gonna smoke this out on my bottom lash line. I'm going to take an even smaller brush in a very, very deep, dark brown and keep this a little closer to the lash line. Then I'm going to take a little tiny bit of that black shade from the palette. Keep this really, really close. Now I'm going to take my Kiko Milano Matte Fusion Powder and just a tapered brush that I use to get underneath my eyes and things like that, and then I'm gonna wipe off the excess powder. So now it's time for lashes. I'm using my Marc Jacobs mascara, just pretty much any mascara, to curl up my eyelashes. Now these lashes are actually the I Need You lashes from Violet Voss, which are only like 10 bucks. So I'm definitely gonna link those below, but these are in a different case from a different brand. While those are drying and marinating, I'm gonna do my bottom lashes. And for contour, I'm using my e.l.f. finishing powder in the shade Dark Deep. I always use this. It's not so off from my skin tone, but it creates a really nice shadow and really nice depth to my skin without it looking so chiseled and harsh, because as you guys can see, I already have a very harsh jawbone, jawline, whatever you might call it. So I don't want to do anything too dramatic. I just want to add a little bit of dimension to my face. It's the tip of the nose always. For just a little more something, I like doing this mainly to my forehead, adding a darker shade. I feel like I have a very big round forehead, so I want to make that look a bit smaller. So I'm going in with my Nicka contour duo, and I'm just hitting the temples. First setting spray, I use this bedescu rose water spray. And it doesn't really make your makeup last a little bit longer, but it does give you a smoother effect. It lets all your powders blend together, and it also is very, very hydrating. So if you have oily skin, I wouldn't suggest that one. Now, I've been using this lip liner for a minute, so y'all gotta get with it. Y'all already know. This is my favorite lip liner. Next, I'm going in with this NYX lip liner in the shade Natural. This is one of my favorite lip liners. It's just a really nice nude pink. For highlighter, I'm using my Wet n Wild Precious Petals highlighter. I'm going in with my Wet n Wild Photo Focus powder and a fluffy brush, and I'm gonna set the rest of my face, as well as just blending everything together. Then I'm gonna go in with more setting spray. Oh, and I actually almost forgot to highlight my inner corner. So yeah, this is the final look. I'm so happy we got through this video. And now I can tell you guys about the giveaway. So I am doing a giveaway, guys, just to thank you guys so much for supporting me, for being there for me, and for getting me to 10K. This has been like a long time coming. I've been on YouTube for some years now. So I just want to say thank you to the people who have been here for me and who have been supporting me. I will be giving $200 away, and I decided to do that instead of doing like a makeup giveaway. I will probably do a makeup giveaway a little later on, probably when I hit 15K, just because it was hard trying to decide what makeup to get you guys, and then everyone has a different skin tone and everyone has different types of skin. Also, I'm going to be giving a $200 gift card away to a lucky winner. You'll be able to use this gift card pretty much anywhere you want. Now, this is how you enter the giveaway. First things first, of course, you have to be subscribed to me. The second thing I'm gonna have you guys do is just follow my Instagram account. The third thing I'm gonna have you do is comment below your favorite thing. It could be pretty much anything. It could be books, it could be flowers, it could be makeup, it could be potato chips. It doesn't matter. And along with that comment, give me your email address so I can contact you if you win the giveaway. And this giveaway will end on October 20th. Once again, it will end on October 20th. So on October 20th, and I'm gonna give it 2 more days after that for you guys to check in your emails, to check if you won the giveaway. But yeah, thank you guys so much for being here and supporting me and watching my videos all this time. Thank you guys so much. I love you, and see you guys next time.